What if one natural drink could improve your sleep, burn fat, boost brain power, fight disease, and even enhance your mood without expensive supplements or prescriptions? This ancient remedy is finally being rediscovered, and doctors aren't talking about it. Stick around to learn the secret drink that could transform your health. Turmeric water reduces blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and lowering insulin resistance, which helps the body regulate glucose more efficiently. This is critical for individuals managing prediabetes, type 2 diabetes, or metabolic syndrome. When consumed regularly at night, turmeric water works with the body's natural circadian rhythm to support stable glucose levels during fasting periods. Curcumin, the primary active compound in turmeric, has been shown in multiple studies to modulate enzymes that influence glucose production and insulin activity, essentially acting as a natural regulator of carbohydrate metabolism. It also helps suppress the enzymes that convert carbohydrates into simple sugars in the digestive system, which leads to lower glucose absorption. As blood sugar levels stabilize, energy levels improve, cravings are reduced, and weight regulation becomes easier. This benefit alone makes turmeric water a compelling addition to the nightly routine of those seeking natural metabolic support. In the brain, turmeric plays a neuroprotective role by enhancing the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a growth hormone essential for cognitive function. Low BDNF levels are associated with conditions like Alzheimer's disease, depression, and cognitive decline. Curcumin's ability to upregulate BDNF promotes the formation of new neurons and strengthens existing neural connections. Drinking turmeric water before bed allows curcumin to circulate through the bloodstream during the brain's nightly detox and repair cycle. This can lead to improved memory, enhanced focus, and long-term protection against neurodegenerative diseases. Additionally, curcumin crosses the blood-brain barrier, enabling it to directly influence inflammation and oxidative stress in brain tissue. These factors often contribute to brain fog, mood disorders, and poor cognitive performance, especially in aging populations. Thus, regular use may support mental clarity and emotional balance. The relationship between turmeric and mood is closely tied to its influence on neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. Both play essential roles in managing emotions, motivation, and overall mental well-being. Curcumin has been found to increase the levels of these neurotransmitters by modulating enzymes that break them down. Furthermore, turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties are crucial in alleviating symptoms of depression and anxiety. Chronic inflammation is now considered a significant contributor to mood disorders, and turmeric acts by lowering pro-inflammatory cytokines like TNF-alpha and IL-6. This dual action, boosting mood chemicals and reducing inflammation, offers a natural, non-pharmaceutical option for emotional regulation. Studies comparing curcumin with antidepressants have shown comparable effects in mild to moderate cases with fewer side effects. When consumed at night, the calming properties of turmeric can also help quiet racing thoughts and prepare the mind for restful sleep. Turmeric supports liver function by enhancing the body's ability to detoxify. The liver plays a central role in breaking down toxins, processing nutrients, and producing bile for fat digestion. Curcumin helps stimulate bile production and improves the liver's enzymatic activity, enabling it to process fats and remove waste more efficiently. Antioxidant compounds in turmeric protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals and environmental toxins. These compounds, including dimethoxycurcumin and bis-dimethoxycurcumin, work together to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in liver tissue. Turmeric's hepatoprotective effects are particularly beneficial for individuals exposed to alcohol, processed foods, pollution, or medications that burden the liver. By supporting cellular repair and regeneration, turmeric helps maintain optimal liver performance. This benefit is amplified at night when the liver naturally engages in detoxification. Regular intake can contribute to improved digestion, reduced bloating, and increased vitality over time. Weight loss is another widely noted benefit of turmeric water. It acts on several fronts to support healthy fat metabolism. First, it increases thermogenesis, the body's process of producing heat, which in turn burns more calories. Second, it boosts the release of bile from the liver, aiding in the emulsification and digestion of fats. Third, Turmeric influences the activity of certain genes that regulate fat storage and appetite. Curcumin helps reduce levels of leptin resistance, which contributes to better appetite control and reduced cravings. Furthermore, turmeric reduces inflammation in adipose tissue, improving the function of fat cells and reducing the production of harmful substances like resistin and IL-1 beta. When inflammation is reduced, the body can more effectively mobilize fat for energy. Drinking turmeric water at night, especially after dinner, may help the body burn fat while you sleep and improve metabolic efficiency by morning. Joint pain and inflammation are major areas where turmeric excels. Curcumin and other compounds in turmeric inhibit the activity of COX-2 and NF-κB, both of which are enzymes that trigger the body's inflammatory response. By reducing their activity, turmeric helps lower swelling and pain in joints. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, or chronic musculoskeletal pain. One study showed that turmeric extract was as effective as ibuprofen in reducing pain in osteoarthritis patients, with far fewer gastrointestinal side effects. When taken at night, turmeric water can reduce morning stiffness and discomfort, leading to improved mobility and a better quality of life. The presence of turmerones and gingerols in turmeric further enhances its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, making it a comprehensive solution for chronic pain management. For athletes or those with physically demanding routines, turmeric may also support faster recovery and reduced soreness. Digestive health benefits from turmeric's ability to stimulate the gallbladder and promote bile secretion, a crucial function for breaking down fats and absorbing fat-soluble vitamins. Turmeric also enhances the production of digestive enzymes in the pancreas, improving the breakdown of proteins and carbohydrates. This results in smoother digestion, less bloating, and improved nutrient absorption. Turmeric's antimicrobial properties help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, reducing the growth of harmful pathogens that can disrupt digestion. Furthermore, curcumin protects the intestinal lining from damage caused by inflammatory bowel conditions like ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. It strengthens the gut barrier, reducing intestinal permeability and preventing leaky gut, a condition linked to autoimmune responses and food sensitivities. Nighttime consumption of turmeric water gives the digestive system a gentle cleanse and allows it to rest and repair. This contributes to better digestion in the long run and promotes a balanced gut microbiome. Immune function is naturally supported by turmeric's powerful antioxidant profile. It enhances the production of white blood cells, especially macrophages, which engulf and destroy pathogens. Curcumin also activates T cells and B cells, essential players in the adaptive immune response. Another compound, bis-dimethoxycurcumin, has been shown to upregulate the expression of genes responsible for immune defense. These compounds work together to prepare the immune system for faster and more effective responses to infection. Turmeric also neutralizes oxidative stress, which weakens immune cells and contributes to chronic illness. By scavenging free radicals and protecting cells from damage, turmeric ensures that the immune system functions at its highest potential. Consuming turmeric water at night ensures these processes occur during the body's rest and regeneration phase. With consistent use, the body becomes more resilient against viruses, bacteria, and environmental stressors. Turmeric also plays a significant role in skin health. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties help reduce acne, eczema, and psoriasis symptoms. Curcumin reduces the production of sebum, which can clog pores and lead to breakouts. It also kills P. acnes, the bacteria responsible for most acne cases. In addition, turmeric's antioxidant properties promote skin repair by reducing oxidative stress and boosting collagen synthesis. Compounds like R-turmerone have been shown to stimulate fibroblasts, the cells responsible for collagen production, leading to improved elasticity and reduced wrinkles. Drinking turmeric water at night supports this cellular repair during the skin's natural renewal cycle. Over time, this can result in clearer, brighter, and more youthful-looking skin. For those experiencing dullness or signs of premature aging, turmeric water may offer a gentle but effective internal solution. Skin health often reflects internal balance, and turmeric's comprehensive impact on inflammation, detoxification, and nutrient absorption contributes significantly. to visible improvements. Reproductive health also benefits from turmeric's properties. Specifically, in men, turmeric may help improve erectile function by enhancing blood flow and reducing inflammation in vascular tissues. One compound, xanthorazole, possesses antispasmodic properties that help relax smooth muscle tissue, including the vessels supplying the genital area. This facilitates better circulation and performance. Furthermore, turmeric supports hormonal balance by modulating testosterone levels and reducing oxidative damage to reproductive organs. Our turmerone's ability to stimulate stem cell activity in the brain and other tissues may aid in tissue regeneration, potentially benefiting men dealing with nerve-related causes of erectile dysfunction. For women, turmeric helps regulate estrogen and progesterone levels, reducing symptoms of PMS and menopause, such as mood swings, bloating, and cramps. Curcumin also inhibits the growth of endometrial tissue, which may help alleviate symptoms of endometriosis. Regular intake of turmeric water can support overall reproductive health and hormonal harmony in both men and women. Beyond its specific organ-related benefits, turmeric promotes systemic balance. It helps regulate the body's inflammatory response across all tissues, reduces oxidative damage, and improves mitochondrial efficiency, which enhances cellular energy production. This has far-reaching effects on stamina, resilience, and longevity. Turmeric also influences gene expression by modulating transcription factors like NRF2, which activates the body's own antioxidant defenses. This means that turmeric doesn't just neutralize free radicals directly. It also helps the body become better at defending itself. It acts both as a shield and as a trainer for your immune system, detox organs, and cells. To maximize the bioavailability of curcumin and its related compounds, turmeric water should always be prepared with a small amount of black pepper, which contains piperine. Piperine can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Adding a source of healthy fat, like coconut oil or almond milk, may further enhance absorption since curcumin is fat-soluble. For added flavor and benefits, consider incorporating lemon for vitamin C, ginger for digestive support, or honey for antimicrobial effects. These additions not only improve taste but also complement turmeric's health-promoting properties. The water should be simmered, not boiled vigorously, to preserve the integrity of the bioactive compounds. A typical recipe involves 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, or 1 to 2 inches of fresh grated turmeric root, simmered in 2 cups of water for 5 to 10 minutes. After cooling slightly, the drink can be consumed warm, ideally 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Over time, consistency is key. Many of turmeric's benefits accumulate with regular use. Turmeric water is not without precautions. People taking blood thinners, diabetes medications, or acid-reducing drugs should consult a healthcare provider before incorporating turmeric daily. In high doses, turmeric can act as a blood thinner and may lower blood sugar levels more than intended. Some individuals may also experience mild digestive discomfort, especially if taken on an empty stomach. Starting with a low dose and gradually increasing can help the body adjust. For most people, however, turmeric water is well tolerated and highly beneficial. With all these advantages, blood sugar regulation, enhanced brain function, improved mood, liver detoxification, fat metabolism, joint relief, digestive support, immunity, skin health, reproductive benefits, and cellular repair, turmeric water presents a compelling case as a nightly ritual. It addresses many of the root causes of modern chronic diseases: inflammation, oxidative stress, metabolic dysfunction, and hormonal imbalance. While it's not a cure-all, it's a powerful tool that supports the body's ability to heal, defend, and thrive. Integrating turmeric water into your evening routine might be the simplest and most profound health decision you make.